Where you want to sit at? Okay.
I'm sorry. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm so sorry.
All right. The bread is.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna taste this.
Seth, you want steak?
Yeah. Yeah. Dip it in the sauce.
This one?
Yeah. Good, right? I think it's called a rattlesnake or a snake bite.
With a jalapeno on it.
So it's like a breaded, it's got cheese in it and a jalapeno pepper. Yeah. Got the jalapeno in there. Real good, but it's it's spicy. It's not that spicy. It's only when you get the pepper. And then it goes away. My salad's here. The Caesar salad. Let's see. Okay, good. Yeah, this salad is better. Everybody can make a Caesar salad, but this salad is good.
Yeah, but when we were in Olive Garden, it was different.
Yeah. You would think Olive Garden would have good salad. It's okay. I mean, they have a lot of onions in it. Try this one, babe. That crouton. It's pretty good, right? Everybody can't make salad. There is a Texas row house in the Philippines, but we never ate there.
Because we're thinking we're
We
eating
never ate there.
American food. It's really not outside country.
Yeah, I think next time we go back though, we're gonna try it.
We'll try.
Yeah, we're gonna try it and see if there's any difference. Does it taste different? But yeah. So now we're waiting on our food. We're not gonna eat all the appetizer because we're gonna be stuffed. And I do want to eat some of that steak and ribs that's coming. We'll just take some of this home. I'll probably take some of that salad home. I definitely won't have room for that food. You ready for your food?
Yeah.
All right, our food is here. So I've got some chicken tender bite size chicken tenders. You got the steak fries, which look like, let's see, these are like steak fries. Got a piece of shrimp that he took from my wife.
I removed the bread because there's
Oh yeah. She has a steak with
Mushroom and onion.
mushrooms and onions on top. And she got a loaded potato there. She brought some more bread, which is very sweet and tasty. And then I have a well done steak. A lot of people don't like it well done, but I like mine well done. And then we got some ribs here and some more steak fries. So that's why I didn't really want to eat all this stuff right here, because I wanted to eat some of this. And you got some bread, toasted bread.
Garlic.
Oh, yeah, it's like a garlic type bread. Look at that baked potato with the marshmallows on it.
That is nice.
The steak is good. The shrimp is good too. I'm just gonna eat enough, but I'm not gonna stuff myself. Let me try this rib. That's good. They just took some of this and cut it in half and they toast the top of it. But they have this dipping sauce here. Like a buttery type cinnamon dipping sauce. Good. I want to try the steak sauce.
Huh?
I want to try these steak sauce. See if it tastes like A1. It doesn't taste like A1 steak sauce. It tastes like it's like real smoky flavor. But the steak sauce is real smoky and there's like there's honey in it also. Try the ribs. Try these ribs. Okay.
Cannot eat anything with it.
Yeah, the ribs are okay. It's not that bad. It's okay.
Yeah.
Then they have this digital thing that you can pay here. You can hit pay now here. You can hit menu browse, but the menu doesn't come up on the screen. You have to scan that QR code for the menu. And then they have games. They got to join the club. Go here and there's a bunch of games on here you can play. And you hit pay now to pay here. And I think when you pay, yeah, you can either insert your card here or you can swipe at the top there. I don't know if they have like a tap. They may.
They do.
You may just tap here.
You want to do it?
$92. And then there's everything that we bought. There's everything that we bought here. Check details. You can go to total, hit pay in full, and you can pay here. Somebody's birthday. That's what they do when it's like somebody's birthday. Okay.
You guys have a good night.
All right.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Let's go Target or Target.
What we gonna do at Target? What we gonna do at Target? Buy?
Walking.
Go.
We're gonna go to Best Buy. Look around. Go over here. Just look. Walk a little bit. It's too hot to be walking outside though. It's like 90 today.
It's just 86 on my dashboard. What do you want for your birthday, Anna?
Birthday?
Yes, what do you like for your birthday?
I want. Huh?
You want what?
Okay. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Okay. This way. We're trying to get out the sun. Mommy already took off. Look, she left us. Look both ways for cars, please. Good thing I'm standing here because he would have just ran across. Go inside. Okay. Hello.
Waiting for me. Going the right direction.
Excuse me?
What region is that? Going the right
Oh, we're just walking,
Okay, look around.
trying to burn off some calories.
direction. If you need help, grab a food shed. They'll help you.
All right. Thank you. Look at these ninja things. $179 for this ninja. Oh, look at this. Is like a grill, smokeless grill. $300. It's like they set up a combo pack with that, this speaker and TV. But let's go over here. Where'd they go? Guess they went to the restroom. Well, while they're in the restroom, I'm gonna look over here. Let's see, what brand do we have? Google, there's Blink, and I never heard of it, but here's the Ring products, which that's what we have in our house. We have Ring and Alexa. We have one of these doorbells. One of these is more advanced than the other, but we have a doorbell similar to this. Here's some cameras that rotate in the house. You can set them around. You can have them rotate and move around. Speaker. They don't have a lot of stuff. What is this? I don't know what that is, but anyway, let's see. I'm looking for like lighting part. I guess they don't have lights over here. We have to go somewhere else. There's another aisle maybe with light bulbs. This is great, guys. We have this right here. Guys, it's really nice to have this.
Hi, I'm Alexa. This is our best sounding Echo Dot yet.
Alexa.
Yeah, that's the best one. This is the big one. This already sounds great with music, but if you buy this and play music in this, man, it sounds like you have a whole sound system. Ring floodlight cam with wired pro, wired plus. So you have to wire this stuff up. I don't know if I know how to do that. Okay. Sound, pinpoint movement. Let's see. See visitors even in the dark. 1080 HDR with 2000 lumen, 1080. The same. Everything's the same for this. Battery backup. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. I don't know. Technology is just getting crazy. So that's what it looks like. Maybe I'll get that. I'll do this a little bit overtime and buy that. Oh, they're over here. They went to the restroom. They're over here. What is this? Oh, this a YouTube. It's a browser on here.
Yeah, it's a built-in for the refrigerator. Look.
It is.
Oh wow.
It doesn't
And
have
then,
the ice.
Oh, there's a camera.
yeah, there's
Let me
a
see.
camera.
Let me see.
Here.
There's a camera right here to see inside the refrigerator.
You can see the refrigerator if you don't have anything in the fridge and you know what is not there anymore. You can see it by your phone.
Oh, so you can hook this up to your phone and
That
see
is
what's on it.
$1,600 lang.
Oh, $1,600.
Look. Mama.
Water, ice, crushed ice. Yes, Seth.
You put like this, a circle.
Yeah, so you can see inside the refrigerator. So it has a whole web browser on here, don't it? It's just like a computer.
There's Alexa on it.
How'd you get to? Okay, where's our channel?
Where's our channel?
Oh, go here.
Yeah.
How'd you? Okay. Oh, it's right here. Look.
Yeah. Press that. That's why.
Subscribe.
You cannot subscribe here.
I don't know. My finger's not working.
My finger's working.
You cannot do subscribe.
Okay. Go back. Hit the back button. Go to our main channel. Hit the picture. That right there.
It won't work.
Oh, okay. It's a little different. So you can scroll through.
This one. I'll just leave it.
We went
Or
to Japan.
Philippines.
And we went to the Philippines.
Let's
This
see.
one.
Let's see.
Malaysia. Set is there, bro.
This one's glass.
You have to knock it.
So if you knock on it, it lights up and you can see what's inside. How do you open it up here? Okay. Pretty cool. That's cool.
That's so cold. Dang.
Oh, this one's on.
Yeah.
Huh. Oh, we're just looking around. Thank you. So you go over here. Okay. The drones.
Look, for kids.
You like that?
Oh my
DJI
God.
Pocket 3?
That's for kids.
No.
Daddy.
Oh, that one right there?
DJI
No,
Pocket 3.
no, I don't like
Daddy.
that. Yes, Al.
That was for a birthday. Look.
99. You like that drone?
I like that drone.
Okay.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I did.
You did? Okay.
Picture. Got it.
Let's go. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna end up switching my camera to this Action 4 right here, guys. I'm gonna switch my camera to that because the GoPro, I'm having so many issues with my GoPro, and I think this is more advanced than the GoPro. It's just my opinion. I've seen a lot of vloggers with this camera here, and I don't want it because if you drop this, you're gonna really have problems with this gimbal. But it follows you around. Like, you can have the camera there and you can move away and it'll follow you around. But I think I want this one right here. I'm gonna switch to that. Then you got all these accessories over here for GoPro. But where's the accessories for the Osmo? I don't see it. Oh wow, look at this. Creator Edition. See, I do have this part right here, this speaker mount, but I tell you guys, if you have like a GoPro 10, I think anything under a 10, I have a 9, okay, so it's not here, but this right here, it works with the 9, but once you get like up here to like 10, 11, and 12, this speaker, there's a speaker on the front and there's a speaker on the back right here. The front speaker works when you have the GoPro 9. When you have a GoPro 10, you can go into the settings and turn on this speaker in the front and the speaker in the back of this. So the problem I'm having with mine, I can't, if I'm behind the camera talking, you cannot hear me. It's very low. So that's why you need a newer GoPro with that mount on it to work both sides. These are the fight buttons right here. These are the fighting buttons. Yeah. Are you moving? Is that you?
Yeah.
Move back. Go back. No, that's not you.
Stop.
Yeah, that's not you. You gotta hit this right here. Okay.
I want this one for my birthday.
You right here. That's you. So no, this right here, that's the computer. This is you right here. This is your settings. Punch, red is punch. These are kicks. Punch. Then kick. I used to play this one. Oh, he finished you. And then here's Pac-Man. Start game.
I want this one. I want this one.
You can actually put quarters in. Pac-Man, look. Start game. Hit enter. We're going.
Yo, it could add it.
Can we subscribe? Can we subscribe?
Yep.
Oh,
Ooh.
no, you can't. Go back. This is a big screen. We go right here. Wait, let's go right here. Let me see. Let's go Philippines. Let's go to Philippines.
Don't.
Let's see. 124. Bill Farm Beach Resort. Okada.
Look, it shows. Look.
What size of TV do you need?
That's huge. I don't know, maybe like
60?
that one right there, sir. Maybe a 60. Okay, come on. Come here. So for LaShawn. Thank you. Okay. Open. Okay. Can you carry this?
I can't. I had to do the challenge.
Okay. Here you go.
I had to do the challenge.
Here you go.
I had to do the challenge. Why?
You're gonna fall in the bushes.
Whoa.
You're gonna fall in the bushes.
Ow. Oh, it's gonna be enough.
Okay. That's sharp. Here.
Ah.
Take this. Okay.
Now?
Yeah, bust it. Oh, one more. Taste test. Okay. All right, guys. We got our bubble tea, and we're about to go home, relax, and enjoy the rest of the weekend.
I'll
See
go
you
play
gu-
Roblox.
And you're gonna play Roblox. Okay, I'm gonna play some Oculus. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Peace. Where's it at? Where's the camera at? How you do that?
Oh, bruh.
How you do that? Where's it at?
Uh-uh.
Where's it at?